Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view all of the comments that you have made in your YouTube account. So in order to do this, first let's open our YouTube application, and then once the application opens up, we need to click onto the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then from here, click onto the settings icon at the top, and then you need to scroll down and see this option which says manage all history. Simply click here and then just wait for the page, and then you need to hit to the interactions tab and then click onto the comments and replies option. Then once you'll click here, you will be led to your YouTube comments, and you can see all of the comments that you have made and to the particular video. So that's how you can access and see the comments that you have made to any YouTube video in the past. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.